There's nothing quite like the taste of smoked ribs, pulled pork, or a nice, tender brisket. Achieving good results with a smoker can be a challenge, though, especially for those new to this type of cooking. A few bad attempts can quickly cause a newcomer to abandon their dreams of becoming a pitmaster, leaving their smoker relegated to a forgotten corner of the garage. The key to a successful first or second smoke is purchasing the right smoker. A good entry-level smoker will maintain the consistent temperatures needed to successfully smoke meat with a minimal amount of skill and effort from the chef. What's up, guys? Today you'll take a look at the best smokers for beginners you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Cuisinart Cuz 244 Vertical Propane Smoker. The most challenging aspect of smoking meat is getting that darn temperature to stay constant. Few fuels allow you to regulate temperature as well as a gas burner, which is why this Cuisinart is such a great option for beginners. The knob on the front, similar to controls found on a standard gas grill, allows the user to make micro adjustments to the flame size, ideal when trying to get the grill to reach that optimal internal temp for smoking meat. This cabinet-style smoker also uses 2 doors, granting the chef access to the water dish and wood chips without having to mess with the temperature of the main cooking area. 4 stainless steel shelves provide 784 inches of cooking surface, plenty of space for smoking various types of meat at once. Number 4. Z-Grill's ZPG Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. The Z-Grill's grill and smoker creates smoky flavor in food, and it's easier to use than other types of smokers thanks to its digital controls. Simply dial in the desired temperature, load up the hopper, and let the grill do the work of maintaining a consistent temperature. With its 20-pound capacity hopper, there's no need to repeatedly add fuel to maintain temperature. This smoker also has a whopping 700 square inches of cooking surface, making it capable of smoking lots of meat at one time. The device may take up a significant chunk of real estate, but it also functions as a standard grill capable of reaching temperatures of up to 450 degrees, eliminating the need to create space for 2 cooking appliances on the patio. Number 3. Traeger Pro Series 22 Pellet Grill. Pellet smokers are one of the easier-to-use devices for smoking meat, and Traeger makes some of the best. With a digital hopper that automatically loads pellets to maintain a set temperature, it's a great option for beginners who don't want to spend the day monitoring the smoker. Traeger's Pro Series 22 can hold enough pellets in its 18-pound hopper for a full day's smoking. And with Traeger's advanced grilling logic controls, it can keep internal temperatures within 15 degrees of the set temp. The grill's 572 inches of cooking surface is ample space for smoking a variety of meats at once. The Pro Series 22 also features durable construction with a powder-coated steel body and porcelain-coated steel grates. Traeger grills are an investment, but the increased price is worth it for those who are serious about making smoking meat their new favorite pastime. Number 2. Pit Barrel Cooker Classic Cooker Package. This classic-looking barrel smoker's easy setup coupled with a design that's simple to use makes this model one of the best options for those just learning how to smoke meat. Upon arrival, the smoker requires no assembly. Simply put the grates in place. The charcoal grate holds enough for a full 8-hour smoke, eliminating the need to add fuel mid-smoke. Unlike other grills that use mainly racks, Pit Barrel uses a single rack with numerous hooks for hanging slabs of meat. This allows one to get a lot of meat into just a 21-inch diameter smoker. Expect to fit several pork butts, a few full racks of ribs, or a couple of good-sized turkeys in one smoking. The chef can even throw some veggies or a slab of salmon on the cooking grate for good measure. Number 1. Masterbuilt MB200711117 Digital Electric Smoker. This Masterbuilt model is well suited for newcomers to the world of smoking meat. It's one of the more affordable smokers on the market, ideal for someone just getting their feet wet in a hobby that may or may not take. It's also electric, so there's no need to fool around with pellets, gas, or charcoal, and getting the temperature right is as simple as setting the thermostat to the desired number. Masterbuilt's electric smoker has enough insulation to work in colder weather and includes a wood chip tray that's effective at adding smoky flavor to meat. The cabinet shape also gives it ample room for experimenting with a variety of meats in a single cook. The space is a bit narrow, so it won't fit larger racks of ribs. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.